Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English with Jack. Today, we will do a short shadowing practice, something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you have only 5 minutes. You can do this while walking or even before going to sleep. So here is how it works. You listen and speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak with me. This practice helps you sound more natural in English. It trains your mouth to use real phrases, contractions, and smooth rhythm like native speakers. Let's begin. I'm really tired today. I'm really tired today. I've got a lot to do. I've got a lot to do. What's up with you? What's up with you? That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. No worries at all. No worries at all. I'll catch you later. I'll catch you later. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. You're probably right. You're probably right. I guess so. I guess so. That makes sense. That makes sense. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Pretty much. Pretty much. Sort of. Sort of. Not really. Not really. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Take your time. Take your time. No rush at all. No rush at all. I totally get it. I totally get it. That's a good point. That's a good point. I hadn't thought of that. I hadn't thought of that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right? Right? Like, seriously? Like, seriously? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's crazy. No way. No way. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Congrats again. Congrats again. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. You're the best. You're the best. I owe you one. I owe you one. Anytime. Anytime. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. It was nothing. It was nothing. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. Me too. Me too. Same here. Same here. Me neither. Me neither. I agree completely. I agree completely. I'm with you. I'm with you. 100%. 100%. I'm not feeling great. I'm not feeling great. I've had better days. I've had better days. It's been a long week. It's been a long week. I need a break. I need a break. Let's grab something to eat. Let's grab something to eat. I'm starving. I'm starving. That hits the spot. That hits the spot. I'm full now. I'm full now. I could eat more. I could eat more. Maybe later. Maybe later. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. No big deal. No big deal. It happens. It happens. Life goes on. Life goes on. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait. Can't wait. See you soon. See you soon. Take care. Take care. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Bye for now. Bye for now. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Shadowing is simple, but it is really powerful. It helps your English sound more natural by using everyday expressions, contractions, and relaxed rhythm like native speakers. Practice these phrases until they feel automatic. Do this every day. Even 5 minutes makes your speech smoother and more like a native speaker. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm Jack, and this is Easy English with Jack. Until next time, keep practicing. Keep sounding more natural in English. Keep growing. Bye for now.